ITG Burlington as a whole expects to be there for the long haul. We currently have employees that have been here 30, 40, some up to 50 years. The technical employees are what we're looking for, to have some technical skills in electrical and mechanical. From there, we'll train them on the specifics of the equipment, how to maintain the equipment, and take it from there. Sandhills has helped us tremendously as far as providing additional training for our employees. We've had employees that would go to Sandhills, take PLC training to make them a more valuable employee here. Mechanical's the same way. There's several different curriculums that the mechanics can take at Sandhills to increase their skills in their chosen craft. You're going to be training and learning from now until the end of your career, regardless of what your career is.